Let me ask you something. When life gets hard, really hard, do you ever feel like you lose your grounding? Like no matter how much inner work you've done, how much you've healed, how prepared you thought you were, you still get swept up by moments that knock the wind out of you. What if I told you that there's one simple, science-backed thing that you can do anywhere, anytime to bring yourself back to calm? And most people miss it completely. My name's Monique Rhodes. I'm a happiness strategist. I teach people how to deal with stress, anxiety, overwhelm, depression, and how to optimize their happiness. And today, I'm going to teach you a tool so simple that your mind might brush it off. But if you actually use it, it can change how you handle stress, conflict, overwhelm, everything. Stay with me because the shift I'm about to show you is real, it's biological, and it works. See, life gets hard. All of us have moments, days, weeks, even whole seasons where everything feels heavier than usual. Maybe someone says something that cuts deeper than it should, or a project you cared about falls apart, or someone you love is struggling and you can't fix it. Or maybe nothing big happened at all. You just wake up and everything feels hard. I have those moments too, moments where my mind spirals, my chest tightens, and I forget just for a moment how to come back to myself. And in those moments, most of us do the exact same thing. We try to fix the hard thing. So we search for clarity, for solutions, for escape routes, or we numb out. We scroll, we snack, we worry, we pour a glass of wine, we distract ourselves. But there's a doorway out of overwhelm that's available every single time, and it's your breath. I'm not talking about just take a deep breath. I'm talking about a measurable shift in your nervous system, something that's grounded in biology, not in wishful thinking. So here's the tool. When life gets hard, pause. Feel your body. Then gently extend your exhale just a little longer than your inhale. That's it. No apps, no equipment, no retreat in Bali. Just your breath right here, right now. So what happens is when you're stressed, your nervous system kicks into fight or flight, freeze or fawn, and your heart races and your breath gets shallow. And your brain starts scanning for danger, even when the danger is just an awkward email or a difficult conversation. And what happens is that your body reacts as if a tiger is chasing you, when really it's just life being life. But here's the incredible part. Your breath is the remote control for your nervous system. So when your exhale becomes even slightly longer than your inhale, your body receives a signal. I'm safe. I can calm down now. So your parasympathetic system, the part of you responsible for rest, for clarity, for digestion, for recovery, it switches back on, and your whole internal world shifts. I want to tell you how this played out for me recently. I had a big meeting, one that could really change the direction of a project I've been working on for months. And an hour before the call, I felt it. The tight chest, the stomach not feeling so good, my thoughts were racing. I had this subtle dread, even though nothing was wrong yet. So instead of pushing through or doing what people always tell you to do, think positive, I just sat down, I closed my eyes, I placed a hand on my belly, and I breathed. In for 4, out for 7. Slowly, gently. I didn't force anything. And after just a few minutes, everything softened. Not because my nerves disappeared, but because I wasn't fighting myself anymore. And I walked into that meeting, I was calm, I was clear, I was steady, because I'd created that space for myself. I was working with a client recently. She was going through one of the hardest moments in her life. Her mother was really ill. Her job was unstable. And she told me every time her phone rang, her heart jumped. She said, I feel like I'm unraveling. So we didn't start with big strategies. We just started with this breath. She didn't believe it would help. She thought she needed a solution, not a breathing exercise. But she trusted me enough to try a few minutes each day, especially when things felt shaky. And after a few weeks, she said, the chaos is still there, but now there's a quiet place I can go, even in the middle of it. Now that is the power of this practice. This isn't about pretending that everything's fine. It's not about bypassing real emotion. It's about having a tool that brings you back to yourself when life feels too fast, too loud, too much. So you don't have to wait for calm to find you. You can create it, one breath at a time. So the next time life gets hard, try this. Pause. Put a hand on your heart or on your belly. Inhale gently, exhale slowly, just a little longer than before. Do it again and again. And let your breath remind you you're safe, you're strong, you're here. You're doing much better than you think. And your next breath might just be the moment you come home to yourself again. If this helped you, stay with me. There's so much more I want to teach you about navigating hard moments with courage, clarity, and compassion. So subscribe, come and join this little community, and let's get you happier. Be kind. Take care. Go gently in the world.